Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Tammy. It's about that time of the year. Yes, it's turkey time. So with all of that being said, today I'm going to show you how to clean a turkey. So quick, so easy, and trust me, we'll be done in no time. With all of that being said, let's get to cleaning that turkey. As you can see, I have a honeysuckle turkey and I purchased it from Walmart, of course. This turkey is about 12 pounds and of course they come in all different sizes. But the main point is, the goal right now is to clean this turkey. What we're going to do first is we're going to take off, obviously, the plastic, because you can't clean it with the plastic on, right? I would assume not. Take the scissors, a knife, whatever you have. And we are going to take off the plastic. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing absolutely amazing. Alrighty, time to unwrap and unravel. Let all of that liquid go down the drain. And the hard plastic right here, you're going to take it off. Just take your hand, exactly what I did, and just take it out. And of course for this, make sure you have your garbage can nearby. We're going to remove any turkey parts. This is the turkey neck, of course. Let's see if we have anything else in there. This should be the gizzards and all that stuff. Now, of course, if you want to toss this stuff, you can. However, if you want to incorporate this with your turkey stuffing, or should I say turkey dressing, you can. Turkey giblets and the turkey heart. We're going to rinse it off as well, and once we're done, we're going to put it up in a ziploc bag and place it either in the refrigerator or in the freezer, depending on when you're going to be making your turkey. But the main point is we take it out. Don't leave it in there. Don't say I didn't tell you. We're going to give it a quick rinse, and no, that's not it. We got so much more to do. But in the meanwhile, we're just going to stand it on up. Let that cold water, of course, not warm water, guys, but cold water. We don't want to pre-cook our turkey. Give it a little mini shower just before we lather our turkey with our just before we lather our turkey with our lemons and stuff. Perfect. You notice I'm not touching the faucet with my hands. I'm using like the back of my hand, the clean part. What I like to do is, because I want to wash this turkey thoroughly, you hear me? I want to get all up in there. It's just like when you're taking a shower, you want to get all those little private parts and stuff. Yeah, that's how we're going to do this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to slide it under the skin. And just basically separate the skin from the flesh, just like this. So easy. The good thing about turkey skin is it's a little bit more thicker than working with chicken skin. So don't worry about breaking the skin. It's a little bit tougher. Separate it really good. Not only do we want to wash under the skin as well, but we also want to season it up underneath as well once we're ready. So we're just separating just like that. Boom, boom, done. Easy, right? Take my other hand and try to separate the skin on this side as well. Perfect. One thing we want to do is we want to make sure, once it comes down to the seasoning, we want to make sure we're able to get our hands in there so we season every part of this meat. We don't want any bland pieces of turkey. We want to make sure every part of this turkey is flavorful. You don't want anybody at the dinner table looking at you funny. All right, that should be perfect. We're going to flip it on over and we're going to do the same thing. And yeah, this takes a little time, especially when you're demonstrating. It takes a little bit of time, but you know what? Have patience. Let's get it done. Turkey time is like 1 to 2 times a year, maybe 3, depending on how much you like turkey. Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. Sometimes. And sometimes people have turkey just for, on a Sunday. Just because. Nothing wrong with that at all. I'm getting in there, going under. Alright, that's perfect. Yes. It's time to clean. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some salt. We're just going to rub it on up. Gonna lather it really good. And the salt is definitely going to get rid of some of that gamey smell that poultry has. Now this is totally optional. Yeah, I suggest that you wash your turkey, but it's totally up to you if you want to take it out the packet, rinse it off, pat it dry, and add some seasoning and do what you want to do. That's, I can't make you do otherwise. But I will suggest, in order to stay out of the ER, especially in this time, now is not the time to be going to the ER. Wash your meat properly. Wash your turkey, wash your chicken, wash your front and your back. Let's try to eliminate as much things as possible. Time to go in with those lemons. Squeeze it on the turkey. Scrub it up really good. I like to take my hand and just kind of flip it, flip it on the other side basically, and get to work, because we came to work. And the lemon definitely takes away the gamey smell. And the good thing about it is, once that smell is gone, you're going to find that you don't need as much seasoning to cover up the smell. It's almost like a person who wakes up and they don't take a shower and they put that deodorant on or that fragrance to cover up the smell on a dirty body. It's almost the same thing with the meat. Sounds crazy, right? But perfect comparison. Turkey never had a shower, but you're seasoning it though. Why are you doing that? Then you find yourself using more seasoning trying to cover up that smell. Not cool at all. We're going to go in from the back, scrub it down with that lemon. Get the inside cavity as well. I'm cooking with Tammy. I tell you like it is, right? Yes, I do. But of course, this is with good intent. It's definitely with good intent. I want you guys to make delicious food. Delicious, great tasting, clean food. I can't believe turkey time is back again, honestly. I felt like I was just making a turkey the other day, honestly. Not turkey wings, obviously, but a whole turkey. The time is just going by so quickly. All right, I think we've gotten every part on this turkey. We're going to wash the turkey parts, of course. And the salt is rough, so it becomes like an abrasive. And these are the turkey gizzards, just like chicken gizzards. All right. Hit these pieces with a little lemon juice as well. Rub it on up. If done correctly, I tell you right now, I love me some turkey neck. So delicious. We're going to save these parts. I'm not going to do the stuffing with it, of course. But like I said, if you want to, you definitely can. the stuffing recipe that I published already. You can add the chicken, you can also add the turkey parts, or you can add just the turkey parts, totally optional. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse these off, and I'm gonna place it in a Ziploc bag and place it into the freezer until I'm ready to roast the turkey tomorrow. The good thing about it is, even though I'm placing it in the freezer, they're gonna defrost really quickly tomorrow by the time I'm ready for it, literally. All right, it's time to give this bad boy a rinse. All right, so of course we're gonna rinse it off with cold water. Not warm, but cold. Make sure you have that garbage can nearby. I'm gonna take these clean turkey parts and I'm gonna pat it dry with a paper towel. And I'm gonna place it into the Ziploc bag, just like this. Don't you fall, don't you dare. I wash you nice and clean, don't you dare. All right, perfect. Close it on, make sure all of the air is released. Close it on up, and into the freezer you go. In the meanwhile, we are gonna rinse our turkey off, star of the show, of course. And we're gonna start with rinsing off the inside cavity. Get it really good. Flip it on over. And just in case, I don't know, but just in case your mind is telling you that, oh my goodness, the turkey is going to be salty. It's not going to be salty at all. I usually wash my meat like this, and once you rinse everything off, there's no way. It's not going to be salty, because the meat didn't have enough time to soak in the salt in order for it to penetrate throughout the meat. All right, just gonna hold it like that for a second. Allow the excess water to drip off. We are finished cleaning our turkey, and as you can see, it's nice and squeaky clean, which is perfect. So what we're gonna do is now one or two things. We're either gonna pat it dry if we plan on oiling it down and applying a dry rub, or if we plan on brining this turkey, it's no need to pat it dry, because it would definitely defeat the purpose. You're not gonna dry it off to put it in more liquid. That's gonna be absurd. So basically, I plan on brining this turkey. I'm gonna add it to a liquid, specialized homemade liquid, of course. So I'm not gonna pat it dry. And that's about it. Right now, our turkey is nice and clean, and we're out.